Okay, my name is John Webster, and I'm Cree from Alberta. I belong to the Alexis band there, and I have been in Vancouver most of my working life, working in the employment and training field. Yeah, I came here in my younger days when my parents passed away, and we ended up living in Richmond. And I went to school here and made it my home. So that's kind of how I ended up here, and I love Vancouver very much and decided to build a career here. So I did that, and I sold real estate for a number of years before I worked for the federal government. And I spent about 25 years with the federal government, retired from there. I went to Kesso Aboriginal Services as their BC regional manager for about 6 years. And then I started managing Access, which is the employment and training. And it was my second go around with the urban employment and training. And I been doing that ever since for about 15 years now. I was going to retire. Well, I retired twice. So. Well, my history goes back to, I guess, when the NEC was first formed in the 60s. And I was working in employment and training, and we used to refer people there in the 70s and 80s to upgrade their education. In the 90s, I became a board member of the Native Education Center as well, and served on the board for a number of years. We were going through some tough times at that time with funding and other things, but through our perseverance and policy development with the board, we kind of changed our focus and made changes that met the funders' needs to continue on with the Native Education College. And I think it's going very well right now. But that's to the present board and the administration that's providing the good governance for the Native Education Center. Well, I think what it means to me is that it gives the urban Aboriginal people in Vancouver an opportunity to upgrade their education in a friendly environment that is probably better than the school system that they were going to and did not succeed. So this gives them the community atmosphere that they need. They make friends here, and I think it's ideal for many of the students that are coming from out of town as well, and coming from rural areas. And I'm very honored to accept this award because I have met Gertie, and I know the work that she did in the community, but I didn't do as much work as she did. But I'm just sorry that I can't make the gala because I'm going to be in Ottawa for a housing meeting. And I want to thank the Native Education Center for honoring me with this award. And it's completely unexpected, but thank you very much.